Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Efectum Slow Motion Video Maker and Fast Camera that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here, search in Efectum. Here it is, Efectum Slow Motion Camera and Fast Video Editor. So before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this app: slow, super slow-mo, or furious fast-mo. Add music, text, or fun stickers. Reverse or create time-lapse. GoPro with 70 plus amazing filters. Cut, trim, or split. Merge your videos, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that you can create awesome videos using a variety of video editing tools: slow motion, fast motion, reverse, add music to video, time-lapse, and more. Efectum is a video editor that allows you to edit videos from your gallery or shoot directly from your camera to create great videos and become the next video star. So the features includes video effects like slow-mo, fast-mo, rewind, time-lapse, speed editor, time freeze, adjust video velocity, trim or cut your video, split video with multiple segments, merge video, add multiple clips together, select smooth transition, add music to your video, select your own or choose the library, do a voiceover which you can edit and adjust volume off, apply custom video filters and effects like glitch, black and white, TV cast, animate, action cam, sepia, and more. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is the interface, and as you can see above, you will have these tools available for you to use: slow, fast, collage, reverse, time-lapse, and merge videos. And in here, you just have to select the materials like this one, vanilla sky, and then if you want to use this, then you just have to tap the use. But before we do that, let's go to the materials tab, and you will see this ready-made template for you. So let's go ahead and use this one, Mysterious Japan. So this is the original photo, and this is the photo that has effects being applied. So you can choose the filters. Let's also check the glitch. So this is the original photo, and then the glitch being applied, it's going to look like this. So there. So let's say that we want to use this glitch effect, and then select our photos or videos. So let's choose this one. Okay, so as you can see, the effect has been applied. You can also select other filters in here to suit your needs. Then play, tap the play button there, and play this one or this one. So you have the option to select the filters in here. Just have to scroll like this there. So fire, neon jungle there, mirror, fisheye, dreamy, and colors, comics. So there's really a lot of filters that you can choose from. So let me show you the comics. This one is also good. So rain, snow. So in this example, we'll be using these. So there, that's the snow effect. So I want to use this one here, the glitch effect. So this is the glitch effect being applied. Let me go ahead and use this. So add the filter, and then you have the option to change the color. So there, brightness, contrast, and saturation. You just have to move it like this, and then hit the check mark once you're done. And also, if you want to go back to the glitch, then tap this one Editing is where you can add text, change the colors, change the fonts. In here, let's choose this one and let's add Jackie Chan, just like that, and tap the hit and then drag it anywhere you want. Let me just put it in here. So stickers, you can also add this one here, the stickers, like this one. Let's add this and put it in here. So audio, so you have to allow it first, and then you have the option to record your voice by tapping it. You have the option to narrate this photos or video by tapping this one. So I'm not going to do that. Let me just go back and replace the audio, and then tapping this one to add a music. So these are the recommended music. So as you can see, it's being categorized. First one is dance. You just have to tap to listen to it first, and then if you want to use that, then just tap the add track. So let me just use this one here, the calm, and then add the track. Right now it's being added, so let's wait for it to complete. And once you're done adding the effects, so it's going to look like this, and then tap the next button, and right now it's processing. Let's go ahead and wait for it to complete, and this is the result. So as you can see, you have the option to share it to your social media account like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. You can save it to your phone, to your gallery, by tapping this one. So as you can see, it's now being saved in our gallery. And if you want to go back, just tap this one, or you can just tap the create, and then you're back again with the materials. So these are the fonts that you can use. Then filters, you can tap any of these filters in here. Let's try this one. So the effects is going to look like that. So this will be the sample effect. Let's explore other effects. So there, and this one, pixel machine, there, on fire. So there, the fire effect has been applied. And then this one, a vanilla sky, and go freaky. So this is going to be for Halloween. So that's how easy it is to use this application, and I highly recommend that you try this application. So let's go ahead and try the slow fast. So let's add this one here. Okay, so this is the photo of Jackie Chan, and you have the option to trim this video. So you just have to tap this one, the cut there. So delete a fragment, so you have the option to delete a fragment. Let's say this one, let's delete it by tapping the X button. There you have it. Once you're done, just tap the next. Let's go back and try the collage. So collage, let's add this one, and this. Apply. So let's take a look at the layouts. So there, you can change the layout like this, like that. So you have the option to change it. So 4x4, this one, and once you're done, just hit the apply. So you can change the background using this one, color. You can also use the image, and then gradient, rounded. So you want to use the rounded edges. So I like this one. Let's add it, apply, and hit the next. So right now it's processing. Let's patiently wait for it.